Oh my gosh. Another one. Why the tone so long? This is not a watch. Like literally, why the tone so long? This is literally not a watch. This, oh my god. We're already going home.
The following is an urgent warning from the National
Oh my god, so shaky.
The National Weather Service in the San Francisco Bay Area has issued a special marine warning for
Dude.
coastal waters from Point Arena to
Oh my
Point Reyes,
god.
California, out to 10 nautical
Sweet.
miles. Coastal waters from Point Reyes to Pigeon Point, California, out to 10 nautical
what
miles.
is it?
Waters from Point Arena to
Oh,
Point Reyes, 10
it's right there.
nautical miles.
The big one.
Waters from Point Reyes to
Oh my
Pigeon
gosh.
Point, 10 to 60
Dude, this
nautical
EAS
miles
compilation
until
is gonna be
8:15
so long.
Pacific Standard Time. At
Oh my
7:42 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a strong
Dude,
thunderstorm was
oh
located
my
70
goodness.
nautical miles northwest
Oh my
of Farallon
God.
Islands, or 66 nautical miles south of Point Arena, moving northeast
Dude,
at
this
40
is
knots.
legit craziness.
Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar.
Oh my
Impact,
gosh.
small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher
Dude.
waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters.
Oh my god.
Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
It's a drill. Oh my goodness.